Welcome to the tutorial how to use the rental feature in the system. First, log in. We are logged in as a fictional character right now. You can search for the item here, or for example, let's reserve this Snoopy cake here. We click on it so we can view. You can click on the images and zoom in to have a better view of the image. Once you decide, you click on reserve. At this page, it shows the calendar for that item. If it shows no marks in the days, it means the item is free to rent on these days. We're going to click to reserve the date. We're going to click here to reserve, to select the date. Today is January 20th, 2021. We're going to rent it tomorrow. We're going to click next. We're going to select the quantity. Usually if there is more than one quantity, it will show here. We're going to select one, register, and now it is registered in the system. Go back to the main menu. Click under your name on the top right corner, and it will show all items that you have rented. It will be ready for this to be picked up in this store.